Good morning, girls. Now, again, Unit 3 important topics. Suppose find the value of integral I is equal to some 0 to 2 by x square plus 4 into dx. Find the value of this integral by using appropriate rules. We know that one is a trapezoidal rule, right? Second one is a Simpson's rule, right? Solve this one by trapezoidal rule, solve this one by Simpson's rule. That means first of all what we have to write solution. The given integral is I is equal to 0 to 2 by x square plus 4 into dx. Here if you compare with the standard form, what is the standard form? Integral a to b f of x dx, right? Now here f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Here a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. That is the standard form. If you compare the given equation with the standard form, you will get this result. Suppose once again if you want to apply trapezoidal rule. What is trapezoidal rule? Shortcut I am writing trapezoidal rule. That is integration a to b f of x dx is equal to integration x naught to x1 f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into f of x naught plus f of x1. This is trapezoidal rule. That means as it is values we have to take as x naught and x1. Here x naught is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 2. So what is h? And h is the difference between two consecutive values of x, that is x1 minus x0, that is 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Now again in our formula f of x naught is there, f of x naught is equal to x naught value is 0, f of 0 is equal to, I have to use this function 2 by 0 square plus 4, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Similarly f of x1 we have to find, f of x1 is 2, that is 2 by 2 square plus 4, 2 by 4 plus 4, 2 by 8 is 1 by 4, right? Now see, simply substitute those values in the given one, that is integral 0 to 2 f of x dx means 2 by x square plus 4 dx is equal to, what is the formula? H by 2. What is the h value here? We got h is equal to 2. 2 by 2 into, now f of x naught value is 1 by 2, f of x1 value is 1 by 4. If you simplify this one, 1 by 2 plus 1 into, that is 4 LCM, 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. Therefore by trapezoidal rule the value of the integral x2 by x square plus 4 into dx is equal to 3 by 4, right? This is the procedure, right? Whatever it may be the problem, మీకు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా కూడా see, compare the given equation with the standard form, write down f of x, right? Here ordinary trapezoidal rule means the lower value is x0, the upper value is x1, and their difference is h value, right? Again same problem we are applying Simpson's rule, right? What is Simpson's rule formula? Again integration x0 to x2 you will get, see here, f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into f of x0 plus 4 into f of x1 plus f of x2. This is the formula, right? Again that means we have to choose the interval. That means we have to divide the given interval into two subintervals, right? Here or if you compare the given problem with the standard form, x0 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 2. Now how to find h values are ante, always h is equal to upper value b minus a by 2, b is 2, a is 0 by 2, that is 2 by 2 is 1 here, right? See, we have to divide the interval into two subintervals. That means h value we have to choose as h is equal to b minus a by 2, right? Now see here, now x0 is equal to 0, x1 is in general x0 plus h, no, x0 is 0 plus h value is 1, that is x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to in general x0 plus 2h, 0 plus 2 into 1, that is 2, upper limit, right? We got the upper limit, therefore we have to stop the procedure. Simply substitute those values. Before substituting we need to calculate f of x0. f of x naught is f of 0, that is 2 by 0 square plus 4, that is 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. F of x1, f of x1 value is 1 here, that is 2 by 1 square plus 4, right? 1 square plus 4, that is equal to 2 by 5, right? 2 by 1 square is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. Now f of x2 is equal to, f of 2 is equal to 2 by 2 square plus 4, that is 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now see in our form, simply in the formula we have to substitute those values. Simpson's 1/3 and trapezoidal rules are very important. Now next one, simply integral 0 to 2, this is 2 by x square plus 4 into dx is equal to, h value is 1 by 3, f of x value is what, 1 by 2, no, right, plus 4 into f of x1 value, f of x1 value is what, 2 by 5, right? We are substituting f of x1 value is 2 by 5 plus f of x2 value, is 1 by 4 or yes, 1 by 4. F of x1 value is 1 by 4. Now if you simplify this one, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 8 by 5 plus 1 by 4, right? LCM, what is the LCM? 20, that is 1 by 3 is equal to 20 is the LCM. 10 plus 5 4s are 32, 5, that is 42 plus 5, that is 1 by 3 into 42 plus 5, 47 by 20, that is nothing but 47 by 60. Therefore, by Simpson's 1/3 rule, the value of the integral is equal to 47 by 60, right? It is a simple problems, right? These are very important problems. And the next one is composite integration. Right? See, solve once again, solve 0 to 2 by same problem I am taking, x square plus 4 into dx by composite trapezoidal rule. Underline this word, composite trapezoidal rule. This is very important one. And solve by composite Simpson's rule. Composite Simpson's rule ante don't apply this formula. Solve by trapezoidal rule means A formula. By composite trapezoidal rule means C. Now concept, again given interval, what is that? I is equal to 0 to 2 x square plus 4 dx is there, right? Now we call that equation number 1. Compare the given equation with the standard form, integral a to b f of x dx, right? Then a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2 and f of x is equal to 2 by x square plus 4, right? Now here, there in our formula h by 2, only two function values are there, no? If the question is solved by composite trapezoidal rule means simply divide the interval, that means h is equal to b minus a by n, right? This n is your wish, you can divide into one subinterval 2 3 4 5 6 and so on, it's up to you, right? It's up to you. B minus a by n. N can be n can be 1, n can be 2, n can be 3, n can be 4, n can be 5 and so on, right? Now here I am taking, say for example, నేను కొంచెం ఏం చేస్తున్నాను 4 తీసుకుంటున్నాను here. That means h is equal to b minus a by 4, right? That implies, now what is that? H value is equal to, b value is 2, a value is 0 by 4, that is 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5. Okay, now concentrate here. Now we know that x naught is equal to initial value 0. x1 is what in general? X naught plus h. X naught is 0, h value is 0.5, this is 0.5. Next x2 is x naught plus 2h, that is 0 plus 2 into 0.5, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now x3 is equal to x naught plus 3h. Now this is equal to 0 plus 3 into 1.5, which is nothing but 1.5. Similarly x4 is equal to x naught plus 4h, 0 plus 4 into 0.5, which is nothing but 2. there is no x5 ఎందుకు ఉండదు because already we reached the upper limit value వచ్చేసాం కదా therefore we have to stop the procedure. Here in trapezoidal rule, solve by composite trapezoidal rule ante we have to divide the interval into n subintervals. Here n can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on, that's up to you. మన ఓపిక ఉంటే 10 subintervals, లేదు అంటే 5 subintervals, ఎట్లా చేసినా you will get the same marks, right? But 2 subintervals గా తీకండి, more than 2 తీసుకోండి. నా ఇక్కడ మనం 4 తీసుకున్నాం కదా, రైట్. ఆల్వేస్ లేదంటే ఎప్పుడు కూడా 4 సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్, వాడు ఇవ్వలేదంటే డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 4 సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్గా చేసేయండి. నా ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ నా ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ ఈజ్ వాట్ 2 by 0 square plus 4, that is 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. F of x1 is what? F of x1 value is what? 0.5. 0.5 is equal to 2 by 0.5 whole square plus 4. 2 by 0.5 is 0.25 plus 4. 2 by 4.25. Right? F of x1. F of x2 is what? F of x2 is 1. That is 2 by 1 whole square plus 1. That is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 or 3 by 5 మనం ఇక్కడ రాంగ్ వేసినట్టున్నాం. 2 by 5 only, no? Right. 2 by 5. Okay. See. జస్ట్ ఏమైనా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఉంటే చూడమ్మా, రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ కాబట్టి. నా సి ఎట్ ఎ టైం వీడియో తీస్తూ చేస్తున్నాను. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ 2 by 5. Next, f of x3, here only I am finding. F of x3 is 2 by, now what is x3 value? Clearly I am writing f of x3 is 1.5. See here. Now that is equal to 2 by 1.5 whole square plus 4. 2 by 1.5 whole square and 2.25 plus 4, right? If simplification, 2 by 6.25. Similarly, third one. Now f of x4 I have to find out. F of x4 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 2 whole square plus 4. 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. Now we got all the values. Now simply tabulate those values. See? Now this is x values, this is f of x values. 0, next one is 0.5, next one is 1, 1.5, 2. Now first value is what? 1 by 2, no? See, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 at x is equal to 0.5. The value is f of 1. Where is that one? Okay, sorry. Now, see, this is 1 by 2. At x is equal to 0.5. The function value is 2 by 4.25. 2 by 4.25. At x is equal to 1, the function value is 2 by 5. At x is equal to x3, that is 1.5, the value is 2 by 6.25. At x is equal to 2, the function value is 1 by 4. Now, we are after tabulating these values. This is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. This is f of x0, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, f of x4. Now you have to apply composite trapezoidal rule. No? Composite trapezoidal rule is equal to integral a to b f of x dx is equal to r integration x0 to xn f of x dx is equal to same h by 2. The first factor is h by 2 only. Simply first one plus last one. See, that means based on the table you have to write. Based on the table. It is very, very important. F of x naught plus f of last value is what? F of x4, no? Plus 2 into middle values. Middle values are what? F of x1 plus f of x2 plus f of x3. Once again I am writing the same formula here. H by 2 into first value is f of x0 plus last value is f of x4 plus 2 into middle values. F of x1, f of x2 plus f of x3. This is the formula. Remember this one. Composite trapezoidal rule means you have to solve like this, right? Now we have to divide the interval into n number of subintervals. Here n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here we are dividing the given interval into 4 subintervals. రైట్. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా 4 సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ చేయండి అడగకపోతే. ద క్వశ్చన్లో సాల్వ్ బై కాంపోజిట్ ట్రెపెజాయిడల్ మీన్స్ డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 4 సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్. అది ఎందుకు యూజ్ అవుతుందో చెప్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ హెచ్ అంటే ఎంత ఇక్కడ మనకి 0.5/2. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాట్ వాల్యూ 1/2. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x4 వాల్యూ 1/4. 2 into f of x1. F of x1 value is what? 2/4.25 plus f of x2 value is what? 2/5 plus f of x3 value is what? 2/6.25. Right. Now if you simplify this equation, you will get the answer. This ordinary simplification by using scientific calculator we can solve this one. రైట్. ఇక్కడ నేను సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు కానీ it takes time కదమ్మా, దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సాల్వింగ్ దిస్. ఓన్లీ ఆర్డినరీ సింప్లిఫికేషన్, ఎడిషన్స్ అండ్ డివిజన్. నో రైట్. నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంటెగ్రల్ దట్ ఈస్ 0 to 2 by x² plus 4 dx. దిస్ వాల్యూ బై కాంపోజిట్ ట్రెపెజాయిడల్ రూల్. కాంపోజిట్ ట్రెపెజాయిడల్ రూల్ ఏం చేయాలి మీరు? వీ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ ద ఇంటర్వెల్ ఇంటూ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్. అడగకపోతే వెంటనే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? 4 సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్ అని డివైడ్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టాబులేట్ దోస్ వాల్యూస్. After tabulating those values, we have to write the formula based on this table. That means 1h/2 is common. F of x0 first value plus last value plus 2 into middle values. 2 into middle values. It is also there in our notes also. Video end అయినప్పుడు నీకు చూపిస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ సింప్లీ composite Simpson's rule. Composite Simpson's rule. Solve this one by composite Simpson's rule means మీరేం చేస్తారు? కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ కాంపోజిట్ అని అడిగితే మాత్రం అగైన్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్ రాయాలి. సేమ్ మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా కాంపోజిట్ సింప్సన్స్ రూల్ అంటే ఆల్వేస్ డివైడ్ ద ఇంటర్వెల్ అంటే b-a/n చేస్తారు కదా. n మస్ట్ బి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ తీసుకో. అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ ద ఇంటర్వెల్ ఇంటూ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రెస్ట్రిక్షన్. మీరు n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 కానీ 4 కానీ 6 కానీ 8 కానీ అలా తీసుకోవచ్చు. రైట్. ఆల్రెడీ మనం 4 తీసుకున్నాం కదా. ఈ టేబుల్ రాద్దాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. హియర్ x, f of x value 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2. Right. Again I am writing the values 1/2. Next 2/4.25, 2/5, 2/6.25 and 1/4. Now this is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. F of x0, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, f of x4. See here. Now see what is Simpson's 1/3 rule. ఇక్కడ రఫ్లో రాస్తున్నానమ్మా. Simpson's 1/3 rule ఆర్ Simpson's rule ఏం రాస్తున్నాం మనం? ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ x0 to xn f of x dx is equal to h/3 రాస్తున్నాం కదా. h/3 into f of x0 plus 4 into f of x1 plus 4 into f of x2 రాస్తున్నాం. This is Simpson's 1/3 rule or Simpson's rule. Right. There is another rule 3/8 కానీ that is not there in our syllabus. See. Now here coefficient చూడండి ఉన్నాయి 1. దీని కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1, 4, 1 వచ్చినాయి కదా. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దిస్ వన్. ఆర్డినరీ సింప్సన్స్ రూల్ అంటే ఇలా చేశారు మనం. ఓకే. వేరాజ్ కాంపోజిట్ సింప్సన్స్ రూల్ అంటే డివైడ్ ద ఇంటర్వెల్ ఇంటూ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే సింప్లీ ట్రెపెజాయిడల్ రూల్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద లాజిక్ ఏం చెప్పాను? ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఫార్ములా ఇంటూ ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ మిడిల్ వాల్యూ, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద మిడిల్ వాల్యూస్. 2 into f of x1, f of x2, f of x3. Simply substitute those values. It's a 3-line answer. Here also after the table మీరు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలి టేబుల్. వాడు ఇవ్వడు కదా మనం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ ద ఇంటర్వెల్ ఇంటూ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ద టేబుల్. ఆఫ్టర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టింగ్ ద టేబుల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద ఫార్ములా బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్. సి కోషన్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 1, 4, 1 కదా. రైట్. మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడైతే స్టాప్ అయ్యారో అక్కడే స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. 1, 4, 1. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు ఎందుకు వెళ్తే ఎంత ఏమన్నా 2. ఇప్పుడు ఫార్ములా రాయండి. ఎలా? సి కేర్ఫుల్. సి గివెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ అరే ఇంటెగ్రల్ 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to సేమ్ h/3 ఈ సేమ్ ఇలానే ఉంటుంది ఇంటూ ఇది ఉంది చూసారా సేమ్. దీని కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత రాయండి అంటే f of x0 into 1 ప్లస్ 4 into f of x1 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది 2 into f of x2 ప్లస్ 4 into f of x3 plus 1 into f of x4. This is the formula. See, మనం చేస్తాం దీని కింద 1 రాస్తాం 4 1 1 4 1 ఎక్కడైతే స్టాప్ చేశారో మళ్ళీ అక్కడి నుంచి రాయండి 1 4 1. సార్ ఇవేంటి సార్ అంటే మన స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాలో అంటే సింప్సన్స్ రూల్లో కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి 1 4 1 కదా, అవే ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం రైట్. 1 4 1 నా ఇక్కడ 1 అంటే 1 + 1 అంటే 2 కదా, అంటే 1 ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x0 ప్లస్ 4 ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x1 ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x2 ప్లస్ 4 ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x3 ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x4. సార్ మా సపోజ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x5 ఉంటే సార్ అంటారు, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ x5 అనేది ఉండదు. ఎందుకని ఉండదు? బికాస్ వీఆర్ డివైడింగ్ ఇంటూ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్. సార్ నేను ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్ చేయను, ఐ వాంట్ టు డివైడ్ ఇంటూ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్ అన్నారు అనుకోండి, సింప్లీ సింప్సన్స్ ఫార్ములా కెనాట్ బి అప్లైడ్. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఇన్ సింప్సన్స్ the formula the restriction is there clearly. ఏమనంటే if you want to apply this formula we have to divide the interval into even number of sub intervals only. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Now here h value is what? 0.5 by 3. Now we have to substitute f of x0 value is what? 1 by 2 plus 4 into f of x1 value is what? 2 by 4.25 plus 2 into f of x2 is what? Value 2 by 5 plus 4 into f of x3 value is what? 2 by 6.25 plus 1 into last value is what? 1 by 4. If you simplify this one you will get the answer. See, composite trapezoidal rule until like this you have to do.